Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I clean used golf clubs so I can resell them on eBay, and I have a pretty simple process, so stay tuned for that. If you're new here, my name is Liz and I resell things on eBay for a profit, so if you're interested in that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe to my channel below and check out my other videos. Alright, let's get cleaning. Alright, to start out, I'm just going to show you the 3 items that I'm going to be using to clean the golf clubs. I'm not any expert on cleaning golf clubs, but this is what I use, very simply, just a microfiber towel, a wired brush, and you can buy these at the dollar store, and then some rubbing alcohol. Alright, as you can see here, I have about 15 golf clubs to clean, and they just need some minor cleaning. Some need a little bit more cleaning than others, and some just need a little bit of a wipe down before I start listing them. So first I have here is like a forged iron by Adams Golf. So the first thing I'm going to do is peel off any stickers. I have some price stickers still on some of these clubs, so I'm going to take those off, and then I'll show you the cleaning process. Alright guys, I got the stickers off. Now I'm going to go ahead and try and clean this head right here with the wire brush and some alcohol. So here I decided to start using some Goo Gone to kind of help me with the cleaning process, so add that to the list of the other 3 things that I showed you earlier in the video. Alright, so as you can see, it's a little bit cleaner. Wasn't able to get all the staining out, but it's definitely a lot more shiny than it was before, and I got some of the rust off of there, so I'm happy with that. And then on this back side, there was some dirt up in these crevices, and I just cleaned those out really quick, and I wiped down the entire shaft of the golf club. So this one's ready to go. All right, here I have a driver, and it's a King Cobra Speed, and it's got some sticky like residue up here, so I'm going to use some of this Goo Gone right here to clean that off, and then I will probably just wipe this one down. I'm not going to be using the metal wire brush, maybe a little bit on here, but we'll see how it turns out. Alright, and lastly, I have this white hot putter, and I'm going to go ahead and take all the stickers off, and then I'm just going to give it a nice wipe down. So if you haven't noticed, most of the clubs I pick up don't need much cleaning, and that's a good thing, but maybe in the future I'll try some different types of oils to really make them shine. So alright, here we go. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I take pictures. I have a white background for my other items, so the golf clubs don't always look the best on there, so I'm going to go ahead and take pictures outside in the grass, find a nice grassy spot, and I will show you a couple of the pictures that I took right here on the screen, and it'll kind of give you an idea of what golfers are looking for when they're searching for golf clubs on eBay. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the video, so I hope you enjoyed this and you learned something from it. If you did, go ahead and like the video, subscribe below, and comment below if you have any questions about golf clubs. I'm definitely not an expert, but I just keep learning as I go, and I hope you do too. Alright, see you later.